Hi everyone, this is Andy with Bloomberg.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing data from Google Chrome. Let's start. Alright, so let's click here and then go to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security, and finally click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you have two tabs, the basic and the advanced one. Normally the basic works great, so the only thing that you have to do is click on Clear Data, but you can also go to the Advanced tab and review the options here. For example, you can remove your passwords or autofill form data. In this case, we're going to do it with the basic tab, so let's go back and let's click on Clear Data. And that's how you clear your browsing data. Now your history, cookies, and cache are cleared. As a good practice, I recommend you to go over the other options in the Privacy and Security tab, like cookies and other site data, and security. Also, you can control what other websites access using this tab, the site settings. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I also have other videos about Google Chrome in this channel, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching.